Hello and welcome to And We Rolling. Today we're going on a test drive of the AMG GT. This is going to be its first time out in probably over a year. So same thing as last time we were here. For those of y'all don't remember, we're going to try to have fun, go fast, keep the car over here and not in the bay. So let's get rolling. All right, you guys, that might be it for this location. I don't know if you guys could tell since we don't have an onboard camera, but every time it hits a bump, the steering will slip. We put that rack and pinion steering in it, and I think it's slipping the teeth. So I'm gonna try to go somewhere that's a little bit flatter, and then maybe we can see what we could do. But so far, looks like our top speed is 14 miles an hour. But in terms of the actual gearbox and everything, this car is running fantastic. I think it'll be able to give the Lambo a run for money once the steering problem's fixed. But let's go ahead, switch locations, and see if we can get any more speed out of this. Here we are at location number 2, getting ready. We got our speedometer in there. It's drier, so let's see what we can do. So it looks like that run took us up to 21 miles an hour. These tires are slipping everywhere, y'all. Somebody dropped down below where I could get some tires. I don't know why my tires are so bad. I have absolutely no idea. But anyways, let's go ahead, try another run, and then I guess we could call it a day. Y'all, I peeled out of here so fast, I forgot to set up our speedo again. Hold on. We gotta turn this thing back on. All right, now let's set it up one more time. Yeah, you guys, even out here, we struggling for traction, and these bumps is just messing the whole steering alignment up. Definitely gonna have to redo the steering. I'm gonna give it one last chance, however many last chances we was on, and then we gonna call it a day. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for today. We've already proved one thing though, the gearbox is way more durable than usual, because all those spin outs, we would have broke any other car. So that's a plus. I'm gonna go ahead and work on that steering, and then we'll get back out here for testing as soon as we can. I guess we'll have to get some new tires too, because these ones ain't cutting it. But until next time, let's keep it rolling.